Good day everyone, my name is Johannes and I'm starting a YouTube channel just to share a bit about my story. So I went to university, did my master's degree in mechanical engineering. After that I went and worked at a commercial industrial solar company, so where I basically did some project development, high level quoting, and about 1 year in I decided that I would like to do my own business. So I just did some red tape and those kind of things. And a year later, so 2 years, working 2 years for the company, I resigned and I also borrowed some money from one of my family members. Not recommended, but it worked well for me. Obviously repaid it as quickly as possible. And so I went into import design and manufacturing. So I do a lot of the design work. I also did the website for my company. I'm definitely not an expert in websites, but it works and it brings in the sales. And then about 2.5 years back, I think September of 2023, went a bit deeper into, or I was forced to go into Google and Facebook marketing. For me, Google marketing worked a little bit better, and I made a lot of mistakes along the way, but it also worked well a lot of the time. And I think in this channel I would like to share a bit about marketing, not specifically in this video, or at least my journey, not you should do this or you should do that necessarily, but more where I made mistakes and what I did to fix it. Currently we have about 12 employees and we have products in I think about 6 or 7 African countries. We're exporting some of it. I'm also helping another small business with some marketing, especially on the Google marketing side, and I really enjoy that. I think it's a big part of small businesses to get your product out there and get it, or at least get your product advertised in front of the correct audience. I really see paid marketing as the way for that. There's a lot of other ways. For me, what's been working is the paid advertising that we do ourselves. I really enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can put it down in the comments or you can email me. I'm keen to hear where you are in your business and your marketing of your business. Maybe this channel can help someone that is 1 year behind me or at the same stage struggling with the same kind of things, and we can maybe figure some of the things out together. Maybe there's some obvious things that I'm missing. I'm looking forward to sharing the journey as I go. I would like to hear your thoughts. Put a comment down below and let's see what the next video will be. Cheers.